What's going on, man? What's going on? What's going on, bro? We are back. This is Tapped In Tevo. Y'all, got some big news to share for y'all, man. If you don't know already, if you do not know already, you guys, I have a crypto club. And man, our club, we've been making some good money, man. Prime example, y'all. Prime example. Look, I call this coin here, y'all. I call this coin right here. Now look what the coin is currently sitting at, or look what the coin went up to when we took profits, y'all. Look, the proof is here, bro. I got y'all. I promise. Like, we are constantly doing this on a day in, day out basis. I'm talking about, yeah, for a very, very, very small price, y'all. For a very, very small price. I've been having guys put $20 in to turn $20 into 100, 150. Man, we got coins that's just going bananas, man. So, hey, I would say if you guys are looking for a side hustle, man, you looking for some extra money, I know it's holiday times, stuff like that. Please, man, tap in with me and tap in with the community that I have, and you're gonna see how we all grow together, man. We are literally all growing together. No gatekeeping, no shadiness, anything like that. I'm here for all of my people in my community on a day-to-day basis, y'all. So you guys will have full access to talk to me, everything like that. I know crypto is kind of like a new thing in the world to a lot of people, and some people just don't get it and just don't understand it. But the way I break it down to everyone and explain how crypto works, a lot of people in my community tell me, man, like, yo, you really broke that down into some simple form for me, man. So like, I'm getting it now. I'm starting to understand it now. Just so many guys, bro. Even I've helped elderly people get into crypto. A lot of people, y'all. So I feel like if you have the mind power and you're a chosen one, y'all know the chosen ones. If you a chosen one, man, and you have the willpower and the mind power and the initiative just to look up a little bit of videos that I'm going to send you, just that's going to help you to become a better crypto trader, please, man, I feel like this is definitely for you, man, because I don't want y'all to miss up on this opportunity, bro. Like, I've been making money here in Thailand. This is literally how I eat every day. I eat every day strictly from crypto, bro. If you guys want to learn the strategies that I use, we're going to be tapping in all day long, man. We got so many guys that I'm constantly talking to in my group chat. They always, hey, Tevin, can I give you a call real quick? Hey, Tevin, can you help me with this real quick? Hey, Tevin, I'm always there for them guys, man. And they can vouch for this. They can definitely vouch for this, y'all. So you don't have to worry about, oh, man, I'm scared to put my money into crypto, because they can tell you guys that we have been eating, man. We have been eating day by day by day. So I feel like for me in the community, it's only up from here, y'all. It is only up from here. Because like, I've been in crypto for at least 5 years, but what I trade is a little different, y'all. It's called meme coins. So if you have seen any of my previous videos, you will see that we are trading meme coins. It's not going to be the average crypto that everyone thinks, like Bitcoin and XRP and da 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 da. Because a lot of those coins right now, y'all, are being regulated by the government. So they're not moving, they're crashing, they're not really doing much. But meme coins, it is a whole nother world, y'all. I'm telling you, it's a whole nother world, bro. And it's so much money to be made in meme coins in short periods of times. Like, for instance, I got people that tell me, man, I bought XRP, but it's just still sitting here and it's been 7 months. Because, y'all, those main cryptocurrencies are being regulated by the government at an all-time high, y'all. I literally made a post on my Tevin.Jarrell Instagram page about getting people into crypto, because these are the things that they do not want you to know. Can y'all believe what happened? They literally deleted my whole Instagram yesterday, man, because I made a post trying to help people get into crypto. That's how much the government don't want us getting into crypto, y'all. That kind of tell you something. And my video did nothing against the guidelines or anything like that, y'all. It did not go against the community guidelines at all. They later sent me a message and said, oh, we've made a mistake. They sent it to me through Facebook Meta, but they said, oh, we made a mistake with your page. We're going to try to do everything we can to get your page back. But when I try to log into my Instagram, it says that my Instagram has been deleted, man. So I do have an alternative Instagram for y'all as well. You can also follow me on Tevo.Jarrell. So I have an alternative page. So it's Tevo.Jereal. If you guys may have any questions, any concerns, or anything that you just want to ask me about getting into the crypto club, I do have 2 separate things that you guys can kind of get into. If you don't have any experience with crypto at all, you're going to first need to set up your wallet. So I actually have a wallet set up where I kind of walk you through everything, get all the apps downloaded. I show you how to set up those apps, and I explain to you how all those platforms work. So that is one thing. And then I also have the crypto community club, the Crypto Diamond Community Club, man. And in that club is where all my people that I've set up and things like that, if they decide to stick with me and stay with me, and copy my trades and take my calls, things like that, that is going to be the crypto club. But if you guys don't have any type of crypto experience, you will need to set up your crypto wallets first. And it's very easy, y'all. It's not hard. I break it down into the simplest forms possible. So you have no worries. You have no worries at all. No worries at all. And y'all, Malaysia was great, man. Malaysia was great. When I went to Malaysia, I really didn't do much partying, man. I really didn't do much going out, anything like that. What I was doing, I was in my hotel room trading crypto with the community, man. And I was also setting people's wallets up as well. So listen, guys, I take this very, very, very seriously. So if you are interested in getting into the crypto, best believe you will have me on your side at all times, and you will be able to connect with me directly on a day-to-day basis, y'all. So if you feel like this is for you and you want to get out of that American 9 to 5 or living paycheck to paycheck, things like that, this is going to be the ultimate side hustle for you guys. I promise you, man. It is so simple. It's not as hard as you think. Crypto is literally just looking at the price of a coin. Say, for instance, the coin is at 500,000 market cap. You look at the price of the coin. Once that 500,000 market cap goes up to 1 million, you sell. It's that simple. And these meme coins move so fast, y'all. No games. They move so fast. So we got people that's making profits in 45 minutes sometimes. 45 minutes, they're doubling their money, man. And in the longer plays that we have, they're tripling their money, man. So it's really up to you guys to kind of take that risk or take that leap of faith into this unknown world if you have no type of clue about what crypto is. Because yes, it can be, a lot for some people if you just feel like, man, I know nothing about crypto. I never looked at crypto. I never had Robinhood. I never had anything. I understand 100%, y'all, but that's what I'm totally here for. I've been in this world for so long trading crypto. I've been in the crypto market for so long. So I've learned so much over the time, man. I've learned so much over the time. I have guys back in the States that send me crypto calls and crypto plays to get into day to day, y'all. So we can't lose, man. We can't lose. At the same time, this is not financial advice, but this is definitely going to be a great side hustle for the ones that's just looking for some extra change on the side, man. Couple hundred here, couple hundred tomorrow, you can literally make $100 a day, man, easily on the side, just trading crypto meme coins, y'all. Like, trust me, I would not be in Thailand if I was not trading meme coins. I would have had to go back home, man. Believe me. So if this sounds like something that you are interested in, I will drop a pinned comment below that have my crypto wallet set up, and then I also have the crypto club. If you guys are already familiar with crypto and you have wallets set up already, then the crypto club may be for you. But if you don't have any type of knowledge in crypto at all and you want to start to learn, because you guys know that the dollar is going away, y'all. They're going to basically start making people get paid inside of crypto. But if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna be lost. You're gonna be lost when that world comes, and it's coming really fast, y'all. As fast as they're pushing AI, they're gonna be pushing crypto right behind it, y'all. I'm telling you, that's how the digital world works. It works digitally. So crypto is your digital assets. It's digital money. Okay? It's gonna be no more paper dollars, y'all. You already see that they stopped making a penny. Like they're literally slowly, gradually taking the dollar out the market, and it's all gonna be digital here soon. So guys, you don't want to be late, man. You want to be ahead of the curve, and you want to already have knowledge in crypto before this big push comes to the world, y'all. You will be early, I promise you. It's still time. You got plenty of time to learn. I send guys great videos that they can watch and get basically beginner experience and knowledge on. So you cannot lose, man. If you guys feel like this is something that you will be interested in, please tap in with me. I am Tapped In Tevo, and I will have your back every step of the way. I promise y'all. So hit my pinned comments today and let's get you guys set up, man, so we can start getting this money. Like I told y'all, my club, they're happy, man. We're making profits every day. For the ones that's listened to my previous videos, shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to them. I got plenty of guys in the club, plenty of gals in the club. Shout out to y'all, man. So they are already ahead of the curve, a little bit earlier than you are if you just now watching this video and you just hearing about crypto. But it's still not too late, y'all. I promise. I got y'all. Hit my pinned comments and let's get it, man. Let's get this money, y'all. Let's get this money.